Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Acuity, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create an Acuity account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up and create an Acuity account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business or even an in-person business, you know that scheduling your different clients and making sure they don't overlap is an important part of running your business. Whatever the case is, it's a popular way to handle it in Acuity, and it's all handled here in their website, acuityscheduling.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you want to sign up for Acuity Scheduling, you're going to click on one of these Get Started buttons. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and sign up and create your Acuity Scheduling account with your Google login, your Apple login, or you can do what I do and use your email. Okay, next, Acuity is going to ask for your first name, your last name, email address, and then to create a password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen. Okay, entered in the required information. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to the dashboard for my Acuity scheduling. So now I can go ahead and start connecting my calendars, setting up my availability. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create an Acuity scheduling account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.